Hello everyone, this is Christy. Today I'm going to show you a new project, and this one is another mixed media canvas that I made in collaboration with ReneaBouquets. As you can see, this is a 12 by 12 canvas, and the first thing that I made it was to glue the paper, and this is a scrapbooking paper. So I use this medium gel matte, and I just brush on the canvas and glue the paper. Then after it dried, I started to distress the edges, and as you can see right here, I distressed right here the edge, and I use this special tool. Yes, it's a foot file, and this one has two sizes. Can you see? This one is fine and this one is a little bit bigger. So it depends. If you have a thick paper, you can use this one. Fine paper, this one. If you want to give just a little bit of distress, you can use this one. And this one you can get at 99-cent store or a Dollar Tree. After I glue the paper, I just made like this. The paper was distressed and the edge looks like this. See? And the next step that I made was to put some little bits of snow everywhere on top of the paper. And I made my own stencil. I used this piece of light chipboard from a cereal box. And I just used my crocodile, and I used both sides, the small and big holes. And I just punch everywhere. Can you see the sizes? Small and big. And then I use texture to make some snow, okay, falling. See, here and there. And I'm going to show you right here. Can you see? This is texture. See all this, and looks like snow is falling. See, all around. So beautiful. It looks so dimensional. Then in some of them, I just put some tacky glue and I put some glitter so it can shine a little bit. Then I glue some of these snowflakes, and they are sequences that has a snowflake shape. Can you see? And I just glue them in there, and I put a pearl, and I just put a few so it can look more interesting. And after I finished preparing the canvas, I got the chipboard pieces from ReneaBouquets, and you can see right here, it's this one that says let it snow. Then these 3 snowflakes, those are a set of 6. I just used 3. And this one that is a shaker box. I'm going to show you. Can you see? It's a shaker box. And I prepared those chipboard pieces, and what I did was to paint them first with acrylic paint. Then when it was dry, I put tacky glue on top, and I used this glitter that I bought from Walmart. It was a big bottle, but I just put in this small container. And as you can see, it's kind of chunky. And I put that glue on top of everything. See, on the snowflakes, on the word. Can you see how shiny it looks? And look, see? Then up here, I just put a pearl on top of the snowflakes. It looks very, very shiny. And even on the shaker box, only on the top, I put some pearls right here. Can you see? And right here, I just fill with some sequences for the snow. And when my shaker box was done, I put a picture behind the shaker box. So I glue my picture in the back, and this is me and my husband, and it was on January of this year when we went to the mountains, and it was snowing, and it was a beautiful day. So for me, it was the best picture to put on this canvas. And then I glue all these beautiful flowers, and these flowers are from ReneaBouquets as well. And I put paint on these flowers. Can you see right here? I put some acrylic paint, this one right here, with a brush, and so it looks like snow. And then on top of that, I put tacky glue, and I put some more glitter. And I didn't put paint on this one, but can you see the glitter? So beautiful. See, can you see right here? And I use 2 sets of flowers, and I'm going to put all the links of these items in the description box. And I love the final result of this canvas with the flowers that looks like they are with a little bit of snow, and everything sparkles. And when you see close, you can see the fine details of the texture right here, and this beautiful piece that says "Let It Snow." I hope you get some inspiration with this project. I really enjoy creating this canvas. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. And thank you very much for watching my videos, for your likes, your comments, and for subscribing to my channel. Have a blessed day, everyone. Bye-bye.